Hello, everyone. This is Mark. Just wanted to get everyone an update on the resilient Colorado real estate market. So, three topics I want to cover today. Number one, the front range real estate market conditions. Number two, the declining unemployment rates. And number three, historic interest rates. Obviously, the CCP virus did have some impact on the metro front range real estate market in April, but there was a huge rebound in May. This 13-month chart covers Adams County, Arapahoe County, Broomfield County, Denver, Douglas County, and Jefferson. The chart tells the story. The mainstream media may have reported how bad the real estate market was in April, but that was not true here in the Denver metro area. Real estate is a very niche market. Location is everything. Many of the cities across the country have not returned to any type of semblance in their market conditions. That's not true for the metro Denver markets. Pending sales in May surged to a number that was greater than the number we've ever recorded since 2010. The pending sales of new and existing homes in April was roughly half of the pending sales in April of 2019, resulting in even more of a demand in May and now where we are in June. Despite the lower number of pending and closed sales in April compared to 2019, the median sales price was much higher, $435,000 versus $415,000 in April of 2019. The median sold price for May was also higher than the median sold price at that month in 2019, $435,000 versus $425,000. Also, take a look at how quickly listings are going under contract in April and May. April listings went under contract in 5 days, which is even faster than last year at this time. May listings went under contract in 8 days versus 7 days last year. These statistics may completely surprise some of you that think the real estate market is on a downturn because of the CCP virus. Sorry, there is no depression. This was a very controlled event. Driving the market is the fact that there's still a very low supply of homes for sale and an oversupply of people needing or wanting to buy a home in the front range of Colorado. That explains the days in MLS figure for April when the number of home sales was so low, because so many sellers postponed putting their homes on the market during the lockdown. It became more of a seller's market than ever before. Given what we're seeing now, some people may still be somewhat pessimistic about the future of the real estate market here in Colorado. However pessimistic you may be about the country as a whole, given the rioting in multiple cities, including right here in Denver, these are containable and regional issues. I can point to the fact that hundreds of thousands of people have left New York and California in the last 3 to 8 month period. They have down markets in these states. States like Colorado, Idaho, Texas, and Utah are booming. On a secondary note, today's jobs report shows that Americans are returning to work with 2.5 million jobs gained, and the unemployment rate dropped from 14.7% to 13.3%. The recovery has begun, and keep in mind, many of the supply line products and services have returned to the USA, resulting in new jobs that were lost to Mexico and China over the past years. Remember, June 1st was the start date for USMCA, and the giant sucking sound of NAFTA is gone. The last point we need to consider is the interest rates. Interest rates right now are at the lowest rate ever. I repeat, 15 and 30-year mortgage rates have never been this low. Many of you were holding out on refinancing or maybe even purchasing. You might want to rethink that. Remember, a 1% increase in rates or decrease in rates is huge. As an example, a $500,000 house you thought you could buy at 4% now means you can shop for a $550,000 house at rates at 3%. The payment is the same. You just get more buying power. Well, that wraps up our Colorado home news for May. I hope you enjoyed the newsletter, and remember, we're never too busy to work with you, to work with your family, to work with your friends. 88% of all of our business in 2019 came from repeat and referral business. Hope everyone's having a great day, and give us a call anytime if you need help with vendors, mortgage lenders, questions about real estate, legal, law, etc. We're not attorneys, but we can recommend you to the right people to help you out. Have a great day.